I'm sure you've heard the news. Everyone's talking about money habits that keep you poor. Let's dive in. First up, impulse buying. Those daily lattes and late-night online shopping sprees add up. Next, not tracking your spending. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never know where it went. Also, relying on credit cards. Interest rates can bury you in debt. Finally, not saving for emergencies. Life happens. Be prepared. But guess what? You can change these habits. Start by making a budget and sticking to it. Cut unnecessary expenses and save a little each month. Your future self will thank you. Remember, small changes lead to big results. You've got this. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your money.